There it is. I'm racing the train. Oh my gosh, that train is fast. Here to pick up the package.
Okay.
This one right here? And that one? Okay,
No,
I'm gonna grab
this
it. There is nothing like getting new stuff in the mail. Feels like Christmas morning. It's awesome. So for today's video, we're actually not going to be riding this board. That's going to be saved for a future video. Instead, we're going to be riding a board that we unboxed on the live stream that we have not yet to test out, and that is that one right there, the Ownboard. But first, because it's finally getting warm outside, we're going to do a little bit of regular skateboarding. Just a few tricks on flat to scratch that skate itch. Now let's get straight to the Ownboard review. Alright, so let's go ahead and quickly go over the specs. It uses a deck made out of 7 layers of maple and 1 layer of bamboo. It weighs 16.8 pounds and can go up to 24 miles per hour. The model that we're looking at today uses a LG 18650 2P10S 4.4 amp hour battery with a max range of up to 13 miles. This board can climb hills up to 30%. It's designed to be extremely water resistant and uses 90mm wheels at an 85A durometer for a nice smooth ride. For more detailed specs, check out their website at ownboard.net. Alright, so here's a quick flex test on the board. It's got surprisingly really good flex on it. Now, I don't recommend just jumping in the middle right here, straight up and down, because you're probably going to crack the board, but as you can see, decent flex. Alright, here's the maiden ride on the Ownboard. Let's just cruise, just chill. Not going too fast yet, just feeling it out. Cruising it out and riding the board. Feeling pretty good. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and test out the top speed. Make sure you helmet up, especially if you're gonna be going fast. These roads are a little wet. Hopefully we don't take a spill. All right, so who wants to guess what top speed we're gonna hit in the comment section down below? My guess is 22, but we won't find out until we get going. So let's get going. Ooh, dark. Okay, this is kind of dangerous. Adjusting it mid-ride, but we're good. So far, so good. Oh no, we gotta do another little adjustment. A little too dark. It doesn't feel super fast. I mean, it's not slow. It's just not as fast as some of the other boards I've tried out. All right, so now I am gonna hit the brake. Ooh, kind of strong. Not super strong, just really responsive. Ease into it, okay? Ease into the brakes. So the Ride app clocked this in at 21.7 miles per hour, and the Vedometer app clocked us in at 22 miles per hour. So my guess was right. 22 mile per hour top speed. So now let's just ride the board until the battery is dead, and then we'll see how much range you can get out of this board.
Made for me, you were made for me, you were made for me, you were for me, you were made for me, you were made for me, you were
That was so much fun.
You were made for me. A grape was made to grow on a vine.
I forgot that my camera wasn't waterproof. Alright, so I'm about to do a quick hill climb test on this board. And I don't live in the mountains or anything like that, but there are some pretty decent hills around me. Kind of like this one right here. And to me, the ability to climb up a hill is crucial for an electric skateboard. If it can't climb up a hill, it ain't worth jack. So let's see if it can handle that hill right there. Seems like a pretty relatively busy time of day for this hill. Let's hope these cars are respectful to someone on an electric skateboard. All right, hill climb test on the Ownboard. Now, this board is having no problems climbing up this hill. And this, to me, is one of the steepest hills in my area. So I gotta give the Ownboard a pass on the hill climbing test. Good job, Ownboard. So, 7 miles in, and no voltage sag. That's good. It's got a good battery. So every once in a while a train comes through. From that side going that way. And today I'm gonna wait for it and I'm gonna race it. Never mind. Train's too scared to face me. Train man don't want none of this. I think I see a train. There it is. I'm racing the train. Oh my gosh, that train is fast. Never mind. You guys see that? Oh, no! I don't know why I thought I could beat them. He didn't know this, but I totally just beat him in a race. So I'm stoked that we're still going, especially how fast we're going right now. There's like no voltage sag at 9.5 miles in. But I also wish that we weren't going because it was warmer earlier and I wasn't wearing gloves. But now that the sun has set, it is much colder and I am ready to be off this board. As much as I like it, this is a good problem to have, I guess. The battery lasts too long. It's finally slowing down. I think it's done. I think it's completely out of juice. The light is blinking, the controller's vibrating. 10 miles. Now I gotta kick push all the way back to my car, which is easy on this hub motor. Can't believe I'm complaining about having to kick push. Electric skateboards have gotten me spoiled. So the max range that you can get on this board is 13 miles, and in our test with a hill climb, mostly riding in the top speed mode, and riding in the cold, we were able to get 10 miles, which I think is pretty good considering all those factors. These batteries just don't like the cold. For the price, I think that the Ownboard is a great budget electric skateboard. Now it is very reminiscent of the other boards coming out of China. Is that a bad thing? I don't think so. There are a couple of differences. The first one being the remote. The remote uses a wheel instead of a little lever, and I think I like that remote much better. It's much easier to control your acceleration and your braking. Another thing is the price. The Ownboard is currently $389.99 shipped, and they offered us a discount code for 20 bucks off if you use Ronnie 2018. That means this board is $369.99 shipped to you. And that is a lot of bang for your buck. Now obviously this is a budget board, so it's probably gonna be your first board or your backup board. And if a first time electric skateboard buyer asked me if I recommended the Ownboard, I would say yes with 2 thumbs up. These specs at that price, that's a steal. Anyways guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. This video's Stoke Squad shout out goes to Eli Vlogs. Can we get this channel to 100K this year? Only if you guys continue to like, leave comments down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be a part of the Stoke Squad. And until next time guys, stay stoked, I'm out, peace!